Hello friends, in this video we are going to study exponents. Suppose we have written a number 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. So how we represent this? This can be represented like this: 2 and it is multiplied 3 times, so its power is written on 3. So 3 times here means it is written in the power. This is known as power. This is known as power or exponent. This is called power or exponent, also called index. And the number which is here, this one, this is known as base. Suppose we multiply 5 5 5 5 5 5. Here we have written dot dot dot. It means we have to write here it is how many times. Suppose this is 20 times. Then how you write this in power? The base is 5 and power will be 20. So this is 5 to the power 20. Read as 5 to the power 20, or 5 is raised to power 20. So this is read like this. So this is very common. Usually we read like this. This is not common. I hope you understand. Suppose this number is multiplied. Suppose I use -1 into -1. We multiply minus minus, then it becomes plus. So this will be plus 1. So it means -1 to the power 2. This is written twice. So its power will be 2. So this will be 1. So from here we can understand that if we take some negative number, and its power is even means even integers, then this becomes positive. If we take negative number, for negative number I have used the abbreviation minus with VE. That means negative number, its power is odd, then it will become negative. Suppose we have written -3 into -3 into -3. Then what we get? We get -3 to the power 3, and 3 is the odd number, so its answer will be minus times 3 to the power 3. We take minus sign outside. If the power is odd, then take the minus sign outside like this. So what will be the value? -27. So this is the way of representing the powers or exponents. Let's do some laws of the exponents and powers. Law of exponents. What are the laws? First one is, suppose the base is same base, powers are added. If we use the same base, suppose we have written a to the power m into a to the power n. So here the base is a and power is m and n. So what we write? We write a to the power m plus n. Suppose it is written a to the power m upon a to the power n, then what we do? Here the base is same. Suppose a denominator a is taken to the numerator, then what we get? A to the power m into a to the power minus n. If we write 1 by 2, then it can also be represented as 2 to the power minus 1. If we write 1 by 2 to the power 5, then this is represented as 2 raised to minus 5. This is just a representation. If we take the denominator to the numerator, then it represents with a negative sign. Similar to this, if we write 3 to the power minus 7, then it means what? 1 upon 3 raised to 7. So this can be written like this and this can be written like this. Similarly, this is written as a raised to minus n. Now the base is same. We add the powers. A to the power m minus n. Base same. So its definition is not correct. Same base in multiplication. In multiplication, then powers are added. Suppose we have written 2 to the power 10 into 4 to the power 3. Then what we do? We write 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 3. So here the base, these powers get multiplied. We study later on. So this is 2 to the power 10 plus 6. Powers are added. So this is 2 to the power 16. Now come to the next point. Different base but same power. Suppose the base is different but power is same, then what we do? We have written a to the power m into b to the power m. So what happens here? We merge the numbers, as suppose we have written 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. What does it mean? It means 2 into 5 to the power 3. So this is 10 to the power 3. Suppose we take the reverse of this. Suppose we have written 10 to the power 3. Then what we do? We do 2 into 5 to the power 3. Now 3 is taken at the power of 2 and 3 is taken to the power of 3. So this can be split and this can be merged. So this can be merged and this can be split. So here we merge the powers. So here what we do? We merge the powers. So let's merge the powers. So it will be a into b to the power m. So this is very important property. Similarly, suppose we are given a to the power m upon b to the power m. Then what we do? Again we merge the base. So here we need not to bring it to the numerator because the power is same. So this is a upon b to the power m. Let's do some example here. Suppose we are given 4 to the power 5 and this is 7 to the power 5. Then what will happen? It will become 4 upon 7 to the power 5. Suppose we are given 4 to the power 5 upon 7 to the power minus 5. Then what we will do? First we make the power same. So we take the denominator to the numerator. So this becomes 7 to the power 5. Now the powers are same. Merge the base. 4 into 7 to the power 5. That 28 to the power 5. That is the answer. So this way we can merge the base or split the base. Suppose we are written 5 upon 3 to the power 10. So this can be written as 5 to the power 10 upon 3 to the power 10. So the base is split. So we can split the base as well as merge the base. Let's do the next point. Suppose here it is given power of a power. Power of a power. Suppose we are given a to the power b to the power c and we are applied the bracket here. Very important difference here. And other one is given a to the power b to the power c. What does this means? These two are the different things. Here in mathematics it is read as a to the power b into c and it cannot be merged. It will remain same. It cannot be multiplied. Its power cannot be multiplied. Let's do this example. Suppose it is written 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 and apply the bracket here, and here it is written 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. So what does it mean? It means 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 2 to the power 6. And what the meaning of this? This is 2 to the power 3 into 3, that is 9. So there are differences. So this is read like this and this one is read like this. So this is very important. So 2 to the power 6, we can find the value of this. This is 64 multiplied to 6 times. This is 512 multiplied to 9 times. Let's do some exercises. Express each of the following in the exponential form. So this is multiplied how many times? This is 5 times. So this is 3 by 4 to the power 5. This is multiplied 4 times. So this is 4 by 7 to the power 4. This is multiplied how many times? 3, 3, 6. So this is minus 2 to the power 5 to the power 6. But it can be written as 2 by 5 to the power 6 because the power is even. So the negative number becomes positive. Here it is multiplied how many times? 3, 3, 3, 9 times. So minus 10 upon 17 to the power 9. So this become minus 10 upon 17 to the power 9. We take the minus sign outside. Express each of the following as a number of the form p by q. So we have to expand it. This is 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. We can multiply this as well. Here we can write 2 by 9 into 2 by 9 into 2 by 9. Similarly, all these we can represent. Suppose this is written minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. How many times? 8 times. We write this 8 times. Now come to the next question. Express each of these rational numbers in the power notation. So first we have to factorize this. 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. 64 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times. So this is 3 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 6. But this is not, the power is not same. So here we take pairs 2, 2, 2. So this became 3 to the power 3 and 4 to the power 3. Now this is merged. 3 by 4 to the power 3. Since powers are same, so the base is merged. Similarly, we can write this. What we do here? This is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the factors, and this is 11 into 11. So in denominator we are getting twice. So here we merge this 2, these 2. So this is 9 into 9 upon 11 into 11. So this will be 9 upon 11 to the power 2. 9/11 is very important event happened in the history of America. Now do the next. This is 2 into 2 into 2. This is 5 into 5 into 5. Here we are getting negative sign. So we here take the negative outside. This will be 2 upon 5 to the power 3. This is minus times 2 upon 5 to the power 3 because the power is odd. So the negative number can be taken inside the power. Similarly here 512 means this is minus 1 by minus 1 upon 2 into 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 2. How many times? 9 times. 3 3 3 3. This is 9 times. So this is minus 1 upon 2 to the power 9. How this can be merged together? It can be written as minus 1 by 2 to the power 9. This way we can merge the base with the power. 1 can be written as 1 to the power 9, can be written as 1 to the power 3. Whatever we write, it will remain 1. Similarly, this can be converted. Then find the value of, I will solve some of these questions. Suppose I solve the first one. So what we write? We write 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 3 into 3. Now cancel it out. So what is cancelled? These 4 cancelled out. What we get? 1 upon 4 into 9, that is 1 by 36. So this is the answer. Now see the next. What is here? This is minus 2 into minus 2. So this is power positive. Power is even, so the number will be positive. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 4 times. And here the power is odd, so this will be minus. We take the minus sign outside. We get 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. Let's cancel it out. So this 4 is cancelled, this 4 is again cancelled, this 5 is cancelled, 5 5 5, 3 times cancelled out. So what we get? Negative sign take outside. This is 5 into 4, it becomes minus 1 by 20. Similarly, let's do this one. So this is 1 by 2. Here it is product, division sign. So first convert the division into product. So this is 1 upon 2 to the power 4 division, 1 upon 3 to the power 4 plus, so it become minus 1 by 2 to the power 3. So first convert this. What we get? 1 upon 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. So this becomes in multiplication 1 by 2 to the power 3. Now this is 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4 minus, this can be written as 2 upon 2 to the power 4. We multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So this is 3 to the power 4 is 81 minus 2. Same denominator. We take the LCM 2 to the power 4. So this is the answer. That is 79 divided by 16. Now this one. Here the power is odd. So take the negative sign outside. 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5 plus 7 upon 25, and this will 5 into 5 into 5 upon 2 into 2 into 2. We can write like this. First make the denominator same. Here it is 3 times 5, this is 2 times 5. So first we multiply numerator and denominator by 5. Here multiply 5 and here we multiply also 5. So this is minus 27 plus 7 into 5 is 35 divided by 5 into 5 into 5. This is multiplied with 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. So these 3 5 are cancelled with this. 35 minus 27 is what? This is 8. 8 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. So its value becomes 1. So this is not difficult. Now come to the 9th. This one. This is 12 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3. So first we have to open it. 12 into 12 is 144. 5 to the power 3 is 125. We have to multiply this, and minus 1 to the power even number, it becomes 1, and this is 19. Subtract this. 14 minus 5 is 9, and 3 minus 2 is 1, and this is 1 by 19. So it is cancelled out. The answer is 1. Now see the question is, find the reciprocal. Suppose we solve this. Reciprocal means we have to reverse it. It means first we write this, take the minus sign outside. So this becomes 3 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 3, and we take the reciprocal. So we write 3 into 3 into 3, 4 into 4 into 4. Reciprocal means reverse numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. So this is 4 into 4 into 4, divided by 3 into 3 into 3. So this become minus 4 upon 3 to the power 3. So this is minus 4 by 3 to the power 3. It means we can directly take the reciprocal. We need not to open this. We can directly take the reciprocal. Suppose we have to take the reciprocal of this. So this can be written as minus 4 upon 11 to the power 3. Now this is the reciprocal. Suppose we need to take the reciprocal of this. So what will be happen? This is minus 17 upon 3 to the power 89. This is the reciprocal. So power is not changed. In this question we can see that here the power remains same. What happens? Only that base is changed. So in any question we can check like this. Find the absolute value. Absolute value means we have to solve this. Absolute value otherwise means it is the modulus, but here it does not mean the modulus. Find the absolute value of this. Absolute value means we have to take the magnitude only. Magnitude only, not the sign. For example, here we write 7 into 7 upon 8 into 8. So here we ignore the negative sign. So what we get the magnitude? We get 49 upon 64. We take the negative sign removed. Magnitude only means we take the modulus of this. Modulus of or modulus function. We can say that this is modulus. If we take the mod of this, then it becomes 49. That is the absolute value or the magnitude of this. Similarly here the magnitude will be 3 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5 is 243 and this is 32. Evaluate this. X square minus 100 x minus 1 whole square. Here x is given as 2.2. So we can solve this using the formula that will be much better. What is the formula? That is a square minus b square formula. That is a plus b into a minus b. So this here we get, first we merge these two powers. This is written as 10 to the power 2. So this is x square minus 10x minus 10 to the power 2. Now the base is merged because the power is same. Now add these two numbers using this formula. So x plus 10x minus 10 into x minus 10x plus 10. First we add these two numbers, then we subtract. This is 11x minus 10 and this is minus 9x plus 10. Now put the value of x over here. So this is 11 into 2.2 minus 10 into minus 9 into 2.2 plus 10. So we can evaluate and find the answer. I think the better method will be another one. We put the value of 2.2 here in this question. Let's put 2.2 to the power 2 and this is 100. 2.2 minus 1 to the power 2. So multiply 22. 22 into 22, this is 44. So this is 484. Apply decimal after 2 points because this is multiplied twice. This is 100. This is 1.2. So this multiplied 12 into 12, that is 144. So this is into 1.44. This is easier method. So this become 4.84 minus 144. 100 is multiplied. So subtract this 144.00 with 4.84. See, here we get 6. This is 1. This is 9. This is 3. This is 1. So what we get? Minus 139.16. So that will be the answer. So this method is much easier as compared to this. Okay friends, thank you.